Ready for some curls? I am. All right, starting off with some water. The hair needs a lot of moisture and it needs water to absorb the products all the way through. We're going to use our fingers to detangle. We're going to go in with a cream-based product to add moisture. We are going to let this air dry naturally or put it under a hooded dryer to dry. We're using IGK Mistress and Sebastian Stylixer for hold and moisture. We're doing a finger curl or finger coil, whichever way you want to call it. We're going to be doing rotating curls facing away from each other to create direction and volume. Again, I'm just ensuring that the hands are nice and saturated with product as we work through the hair. Your finger curls, the direction that you decide to place them will be the way that they're going to go. It's really easy, just wrap it around your finger and move down that hair strand to lock in that curl as it sets. Once the hair is dry, I'm going to go in with some oil in my hands. I'm using Sebastian Dark Oil. I'm going to start separating the curls. You have to be careful not to create frizz. That's why you want to have some oil in your hand to separate your curls. I am going to go in with my fingers at the base to create volume and diffuse any lines of demarcation from our curls. So gently separate your curls to create that body and that volume, and then making sure that your curls are nice and fluffy for your finished product result. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy.